Hello students, in today's video we will be discussing the topic of product of rational numbers. Product means the result we get when we multiply any numbers. So previously we have learned about the addition and the subtraction of rational numbers. Now we will learn about the multiplication or the product of the rational numbers. So here we have question number 3. This is from exercise 3.2. Find the product of the following: 6 by minus 5 multiply 9 by 11. So here we see that there is a minus sign in the denominator. So we first write 6 by 5 and we convert this minus, since it is in the denominator, we carry it to the numerator. So, and this becomes minus 6 by 5 multiply 9 by 11. And this will be equal to, now remember, when you multiply a rational number, we have this is the numerator and the bottom part is the denominator. So when you multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So minus 6 multiply 9 divided by 5 multiply 11 equal 6 multiply 9 equal 54, and this is minus. And what is the sign of 9? It is plus or minus? It is plus. Since there is no number, since there is no sign in front of it, it is always plus. So minus multiply plus, minus 6 multiply plus 9, we will get minus 54. Minus 54. 5 multiply 11, 55. And this is the required answer. Now let us see an example here. We have to find the product of 16 by 5 multiply 3 by 8. So 16 by 5 multiply 3 by 8. Now again we have to multiply numerator with numerator. So 16 multiply 3 divided by 5, denominator with denominator, 5 multiply 8. So this will be equal to 16 to 3, you will get 48, and 5 multiply 8, you will get 40. You will get 40. So in here, we see that in between 48 and 40, there is a common divisor, isn't it? There is a common divisor, and that common divisor is 8. Common divisor means the number which can divide both 48 and 40. So what number can divide both 48 and 40? It is 8. Divide here by 8. 48 divide 8, you will get 6, and 40 divide 8, you will get 5. So this will be equal to 6 by 5, and this will be the answer. There is another method of doing this, and that is by cancelling out in the first expression, itself. For example, or let me write here, or we have 16 by 5 multiply 3 by 8. This will be equal to, so we see here that in the denominator of the second fraction it is 8, and in the numerator of the first fraction it is 16. So in between 16 and 8 there is a common divisor, isn't it? In between 16 and 8 there is a common divisor which can divide both these two numbers, and that number is 8. 16 divide 8, you will get 2, and 8 divide 8, you will get 1. So 8 divide 8, you will get 1, and 16 divide 8, you will get 2. So we write, now we write 2 by 5 multiply 3 by 1, and this will be equal to 2 multiply 3 equals 6, and 5 multiply 1 is 5. I prefer this method, the second method, because see, when you multiply here, they are the smallest number, so you can multiply them easily instead of just multiplying first and then cancelling out. Okay, if we cancel them out first, then it is easier because we have to multiply the smallest numbers. And remember also that you can only cancel when there is a multiply sign over here. Okay, if there is a multiply sign in the middle, then you can cancel them out. You see, there is a multiply sign. But if there is a plus sign, suppose 16 by 5 plus 3 by 8, remember you cannot cancel these out, okay? You cannot cancel 8 and 16 because this is a plus sign. You can only cancel when there is a multiply sign in the middle. So now let us turn back to the exercise. This is from question number 3F. 16 divided by minus 5, multiply 3 by 8, multiply 10 by 3. So 16 divided by minus 5, multiply 3 by 8, multiply 10 by 3. So again in here, we see that there is a common divisor in between 16 and 8, isn't it? There is a common divisor, and that common divisor is 8. So we can divide 16 by 8 and also this 8 by 8, and we will get 16 divide 8 equal 2. So 16 divide 8 you will get 2, and 8 divide 8 you will get 1, and 8 divide 8 you will get 1. So now instead of writing this expression, we write 2 by minus 5 multiply 3 by 1 multiply 10 by 3. And again we see that in the middle fraction, the fraction is 3, the numerator is 3, and in the last fraction the denominator is 3. So 3 and 3 we can cancel them out, and that is we divide by the common, what is the common divisor? It is 3. So 3 divide 3 equal 1, and again here 3 divide 3 we will get 1. So 3 1 are 3, 3 1 are 3, and this become 2 by minus 5 multiply 1 by 1 multiply 10 by 3, sorry, multiply 10 by 1, and this will be equal to, and in here also we see that this 5 and this 10, there is a common divisor between them, and that common divisor is 5. So in between 10 and 5, this 5 here, we see that there is a common divisor, and that common divisor is 5. So 10 divide 5 you will get 2, and 5 divide 5 you will get 1. So 10 divide 5 you will get 2, and 5 divide 5 you will get 1. So we cancel them out by dividing by 5. Now this becomes 2 by minus 1 multiply 1 by 1 multiply 2 by 1. So now we just multiply them. We see that there is no number that we can cancel them out. And also remember, you see here we cancel the numerator and the denominator. Always that numerator with the denominator. So 2 multiply 1 multiply 2. So 2 multiply 1 multiply 2. And minus 1 multiply 1 multiply 1. Minus 1 multiply 1 multiply 1. And this will be equal to 2 multiply 1 we will get 2. 2 multiply 2 you will get 4. So 4 divided by minus 1 into 1 into 1 you will get minus 1. And remember, we do not put this minus sign in the denominator. If there is minus sign in the denominator, we always carry it to the numerator. So this minus sign we will carry it to the numerator, and this will become to minus 4 by 1. And also here we see that the denominator is 1. If the denominator is 1, okay, remember if there is only 1 in the denominator, so we just write minus 4, and that will be the answer. So students, I have done for you question number 3, find the product, question number C, and question number F. So please try. In the notes I have already done question A, B, D, and you will, for homework, please try question number E.